Hey guys, I'm Megan and welcome to another 60-second beauty review. You guys, today we're talking about this beauty. This is the Urban Decay Naked Ultimate Basics palette and oh my goodness, do I love this so much. My first eyeshadow palette was the original Naked Basics palette, and Urban Decay was really onto something with those Naked Basics palettes because they're just such a gorgeous palette of all mattes. But this Ultimate palette is double the size and just full of gorgeous, blendable, beautiful, neutral matte colors. This palette does come with a brush, and while typically brushes that are included with a palette are not fantastic, this one's not terrible. I don't love the bigger ended brush. But I do love this little short guy for lining under your eyes and details. And you know what? If you're in a pinch, this guy will do the job. It's not the best brush in the world, but it'll get things done. You can do so much with this. You can take your look from day to night. You can do something really bold and dramatic, really light and natural. There are just so many options. These blend so well. They play well with each other. And if you are of a certain age, matte eyeshadow is your friend, because if your eyelids are not perfectly smooth, a glittery, shimmery eyeshadow is going to pick up every little crease in your eyelid. Thank you so much for watching. If you want more of these 60-second beauty reviews, please feel free to click the link in the comments down below for an entire playlist of all of these videos. If you have something you'd like to see us review, leave that in the comments below. Click subscribe before you go, and we'll come back with more videos every week. Bye guys!